Welcome to this comprehensive review of Odoo, the accounting and business management platform trusted by companies worldwide. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Odoo, from its interface and features to how it performs in real-world scenarios. Odoo is not just an accounting tool but also an ERP system, meaning it can handle various aspects of your business, including inventory, sales, and customer management. This makes it a one-stop solution for businesses seeking automation and integration. Starting with the interface, Odoo offers a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Navigating through its modules is straightforward, which is especially important for new users. The layout is customizable, letting businesses tailor the software to their specific needs. I found this flexibility particularly helpful when setting up different workflows. One standout feature of Odoo is its modular design. You can start with accounting and add other modules as your business grows, such as CRM, inventory management, or HR. This scalability ensures that Odoo can adapt to small startups and large enterprises alike. For accounting, it provides essential features like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Its automation capabilities, such as bank synchronization and recurring invoices, save a lot of manual effort. Performance-wise, Odoo operates seamlessly in the cloud, meaning you can access it anywhere, anytime. Its multi-language and multi-currency support are perfect for businesses operating globally. However, some users might find the learning curve steep initially, particularly if they're new to ERP systems. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check those out after watching the video, as they might help you further optimize your business processes. One area where Odoo stands out is its integrations. It connects easily with tools like PayPal, Stripe, and e-commerce platforms, making it versatile for different industries. Its open-source nature also means developers can create custom apps or extensions, further enhancing its functionality. That said, it's not without its drawbacks. Odoo's free version has limited features, and some of the advanced tools are only available in the paid plans. Additionally, customer support can vary depending on the service provider, so it's worth doing some research before committing. Overall, Odoo is a robust and flexible tool for managing accounting and beyond. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, its feature set and scalability make it worth considering. With its powerful automation and wide range of integrations, Odoo can significantly streamline your operations. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews like this. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences with Odoo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.